So all the way from Hong Kong it's here, the MotoSpeed CK104 gaming mechanical keyboard, and it's time to review it. Let's get started. The keyboard comes with some sleek design and looks with it. No matter from which side you look, it's super amazing. I tried to flex this keyboard and that was very hard. The build quality is pretty good. It comes with sleek bezels, so there is no chance for arm resting. The lights are visible over the sides too. The back of the device comes with flat surface with some kickstand, and even the kickstand has rubber on it for extra grip, so that is a plus point. Thanks to the curved architecture of the keys, which make it more comfortable to type on it and feels more satisfying. Let's dig into the keys. The keyboard comes with blue switches which are famous for its loud clicky sound. This can give you the idea of the clear clicky sound which it provides. The tactile feel of a keyboard gives you a great feedback that makes this keyboard great for gaming too. I found it satisfying typing on those clicky keys. Along with the function keys, it buckles up with few media control keys, which may come in handy in time. The keys will help us to volume up, volume down, mute it right away, or else gives us an option for email, home page, my computer, or else calculating some numbers. The keyboard comes with true 7 colors of RGB keys which are changeable. And it also comes with 10 mods to play around with the colors. A dedicated video will be made upon it pretty soon. Hit that subscribe button so that you won't miss that video and you will be notified as soon as we release the video. We purchased this keyboard from Gearbest for $44, that is 3000 Indian rupees, which is a steal deal for such an amazing and satisfying keyboard. That's all for the video guys. I hope you like it. If you like this video, please do hit a like over there. If you have any kind of questions, make sure you hit them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye bye now.